Guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you my 4 favorite pianos to use. There are many pianos out there that are great, but these 4 are my favorite ones. So we have 2 upright pianos, the Woodchester, we have the Gentleman, we have the grand pianos, 2 grand pianos as well, intimate grand, and I am going to show you my favorite of all, True Keys. Alright, so let's take a listen to them. Let's start with the upright pianos, Woodchester. So this is the tone of Woodchester. You can add color to it. You can make it darker, make it brighter, right? We can add some cool atmosphere sounds. Let's hear it. And this is what I really love about it. You could add some pianist sounds. Alright, cool. So let's now go to the next upright piano. This is from Native Instruments Contact, the Gentleman. So let's hear how this one sounds. Sounds a bit clearer than the Woodchester. You have various settings here. You can make it harder, you can make it softer. You can close the lid, you can open the lid. And a lot of other settings that you can actually go through, right? You can change the stereo field. You hear that one? You can make it wider. You can make it more mono. And you can also change the velocity curve, which is very important. Alright, cool. So this one now is intimate grand. This is actually the most inexpensive of all of them. This costs around £29. Yeah, £29. This is around $38 US dollars. So yeah, let's take a listen to it. This is by Spitfire, by the way. Yeah, different settings here, different microphone settings. You have different presets here that you can try as well. This is the intimate grand. I believe this is my favorite one of them. But there are a few here you could try. You have soft drama. Let's hear that one. Let's go through some other ones. Subdued. And I believe you also have just a regular sounding piano dynamic with not much effects on it. Let's hear it. So guys, you can hear for £29. This is pretty impressive. £29. Alright, so now for everyone's favorite of them all. Every time I play this piano, everyone asks, what piano are you using? Well, here it is, True Keys. True Keys American. True Keys Piano American. So let's take a listen to it. Alright. So this is the sound that everyone loves. Notice my velocity curve here has a bit of slant in it. My microphone settings. So this would be the most expensive of them all, right? On the piano track, I typically use just a reverb right here. Not a reverb, basically an EQ. And I have a small roll off. Let me activate it. So we have a small roll off here. Nothing much. Apart from this, I would use an imager. And I use the gentle width. This is from Ozone, by the way. This is my settings. And for reverb, I tend to use Valhalla Vintage Verb. I like this one. That's the reverb right there. But I usually just have a little bit here. And this is my settings for it. The medium stereo. Pretty much. And on the master, everything is running through a virtual tape. This is by Steven Slate, I believe. Virtual tape machine. Slate Digital. And then to glue everything together, this is if I have multiple sounds. I usually use a FabFilter Room reverb, just a little bit, and I usually use the Little Room preset right here. And of course, just to add a limiter to it and to increase the volume, I use this, right? And I usually have it around 13 lofts or so. 13, 11, 10. I usually set this to -1. And I use a preset from moderate, set and forget. Alright, so let's now just run through everything back to back. This is the Gentleman. Just clipping a bit. Intimate Grand. And then the final one, True Keys. So guys, tell me which one of them you prefer. True Keys, Intimate Grand, The Gentleman, or Woodchester. Alright guys, I hope that this gave you some ideas. These are what I use and hope it inspires you to maybe try one of them. So until next time guys, keep on learning.